If you are facing a no internet connection error on Instagram for Android, here's how to fix it. First, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or turn airplane mode on and off to refresh the connection. If using Wi-Fi, restart your router to see if the issue resolves. Next, restart your phone. Sometimes a simple reboot can fix network glitches affecting Instagram. If the issue persists, clear Instagram cache by going to Settings, Apps, App Management. Find Instagram app from the list and tap on it. Storage, then tap Clear Cache. If that doesn't work, try Clear Data. This will log you out. Make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Open the Google Play Store, search for Instagram and tap Update if available. Older versions may have bugs that cause connectivity issues. If Instagram is still not working, try logging in from another device or browser. Open Instagram.com in a web browser and check if it works there. If it does, the problem is likely with the app. Check if Instagram servers are down by visiting websites like Down Detector to see if others are reporting similar issues. If Instagram is down, you'll have to wait for it to be fixed. As a last resort, reinstall Instagram. Uninstall the app, restart your phone, and download Instagram again from the Google Play Store. That's it. Hopefully this helps you fix the Instagram no internet connection issue. If this worked, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Instagram fixes.